Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Novandra, NIM F1D2 21023 dari Prodi Teknik Geologi. The composition and structure of Earth, core, mantle, and crust are division based on composition. The crust makes of less than 1% of Earth by mass, consisting of volcanic crust and continental crust is often more flaccid rock. The mantle is hot and rests about percent of Earth mass. Finally, the core is molten iron metal. The core makes up about of the Earth. Lithosphere and atmosphere are division based of material gravity. The lithosphere is component of both the crust and the portion of the upper mantle that behaves as brittle, rigid, solid. The atmosphere is partially molten upper mantle material that behaves plastically and can flow. This animation by acquired saw the layers by competition and by mechanical processes. Crust and lithosphere. Earth or surface in crust, a cold, thin, brittle outer shell made of rock. The crust is very thin relative to the radius of the planet. There are two very different types of crust, each with its own distinct physical and chemical properties. Volcanic crust is composed of magma that erupts on the seafloor. The great basal lava flow are called deeper down to create the intrusive igneous rock gabber. Sediment, primarily mud and the shell of tiny shell creatures, called the sulfur. Sediment is deep near the shore where it comes of the continuous in river and on wind currents. Continental crust is made up of many different types of igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rock. The average combination is granite, which is much less dense than the magic igneous rock of the volcanic crust, because it is thick and has relatively low density. Continental crust is higher of the mantle than volcanic crust, which sinks into the mantle to form basins. When filled with water, these basins form the planet's ocean. That lithosphere is the outermost mechanical layer, which behaves as a brittle, rigid solid. The lithosphere is about thick. The definition of the lithosphere is based on how Earth's material behave, so include the crust and the uppermost mantle, which are both brittle. Since it is rigid and brittle, when stress as on the lithosphere is break. This is what we experience as an earthquake. Mantle. The two most important things about the mantle are: one is in the made of solid rock, and two is it is hot. Scientists know that mantle is made of rock based on evidence from seismic wave, heat flow, and meteorites. The properties fit the ultramic rock peridot, which is made of the iron and magnesium rich silicate mineral. Peridotite is rarely found at the Earth's surface. Scientists know that the mantle is especially hot because of the flowing outward from and because of its physical properties. Heat flow in the different ways within the Earth. Condition and confinement condition is defined as the hard transfer that occurs through rapid collision of atoms, which can only happen in the material is solid. Heat flow from warmer to colder physics until all are the same temperature. The mantle is mostly because of heat containing the core. conveyances in the process of material that can move and flow may develop convection current. Saya Novandra, sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.